Tracking a pretty good line of thunderstorms moving through Memphis down into Houston, Texas. That's where the thunderstorms have been the most severe along the Gulf Coast, now moving into Louisiana. We'll be watching this system. No impacts on our weather today, but we will see a slight chance of some thunderstorms tomorrow and an isolated severe threat. We'll talk more about that for some of our communities. But let's get you out the door this morning. Not quite as cool. Upper, maybe middle 50s in the cooler spots. Lower 70s as we get into the 10 o'clock hour. 80 at 1 o'clock. We'll also build in the clouds late this afternoon, topping off at 86, then mostly cloudy by the evening hours. Warm to mild from 82 to 71, and a slight chance of a shower storm in the overnight, 64. It'll be quite mild as we start off the day tomorrow. The rain chance 20% in the overnight hours. Now, tomorrow's rain chance will be a little bit better. Highway 319 eastward, we have this marginal risk for severe storms from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday. That's a 5% chance, damaging winds. Now, west of that, the severe threat is not there as far as anything organized, and the chances of rain will come a little bit earlier in the day, too, mostly in the morning hours here in Albany. So there's low pressure tracking across that frontal system. Showers and storms try to get going here. You can see kind of the very tail end of this trying to move in through Americus and Albany just past the midnight hour. So we'll be watching that as it lifts away, and then the frontal system will approach and the chance of showers will come in again. Morning hours here in Albany, and then that isolated thunderstorm threat as we go 1 to 4 p.m., mainly east of Highway 319. Notice the model is not showing anything, but there could be 1 or 2 showers or storms, and then quickly we'll clear out. As we go into Saturday afternoon, we'll actually see sunshine, some breezy conditions, and then we'll cool things down. Sunday morning, some of us may actually fall into the upper 40s, and a beautiful Sunday with a lot of sunshine, and another cool start on lower to middle 50s on Sunday before. The next system, which is off to our west, will impact our weather significantly midweek next week. 64 to 80 tomorrow, rain chance 30% for showers here in Albany, isolated thunderstorm in the early afternoon for you in Valdosta. 64 to 80 against 50 to 80, so we'll drop those temperatures about 15 degrees in the morning hours, but the afternoons do not change. Partly cloudy, 56 to 77 on Monday. 40% chance of afternoon showers on Tuesday. We'll go from 54 to 77. So some wet weather coming next week. We'll talk all about the potential of some heavy rainfall today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m. Happy Friday. We'll see you then.